Student friends, in yesterday's lecture we studied about the meaning of networking and the types of networking as a wide area network, metropolitan area network and local area network. Dear students, today we are going to consider the how network is going to be gets formulated, meaning thereby how man is going to be formulated, how WAN is going to be formulated, how LAN is going to be formulated. Especially, we are interested with computer networking, and that's why we will restrict ourselves with local area network, how it is going to be gets formulated. The way, the method, the procedure which is used to form the network or to connect one computer with another computer, those ways, those methods, those types are called as network topologies. Those topologies, out of which we are going to discuss today, at least one topology. That's what we can call it as, it is the network topology. Network topology means it is a method, it is a process, it is the way by means of which one or more computers are going to be connected with each other. By connecting so computers with each other, a kind of a structure is going to be gets formulated so that they are going to be communicate with each other by using some protocols. That methods we can call it as, it is the network topology. Especially, we are going to study topologies which are related with the LAN, that is local area network. Dear students, you are well aware that local area network has a restricted computers which are going to be connected. Maybe within a small room, many computers are going to be gets connected. 10 to 100 computers are going to be gets connected. Out of which one of the computer is the main computer, or you can call it as a terminal, which has a special hardware, special software, special controlling aspect, higher memory capability, higher hard disk, all required facility to control remaining rest of the client server which are going to be connected with that particular computer in a LAN. By considering that computer as a server, by considering that computer as a main terminal, the rest of the computers are going to be gets connected. And the method by which this connection takes place so as to form the local area network, it is called as network topology. Dear students, LAN is connected to mainframe computer, means main computer, which has a special hardware, special software, special controlling capacity, special hard disk, means all those are of the higher capability because it is going to handle rest of the client computers. So that's why we can say LAN is connected to the mainframe computer or mini computer through one of the PC in the network. That PC with its software and special controlled hardware is called as the gateway. Through that particular special computer, one local area network is connected to the mainframe computer. A LAN is also connected to the other LAN. A PC in each LAN will act as a link or a bridge. Means each PC in a LAN that is used to connect one LAN with another LAN. That PC, we can call it as, it is a bridge or it is called as a link. There are many ways by which nodes, means computers, are interconnected to form the network. The different network configurations, arrangements are known as network topology. Generally, used network topologies are star topology, ring topology, bus topology, and the tree topology. By using these configurations, by using these arrangements, one can connect the computers with each other, and there is a formation of local area network. Those configurations are called as the network topology. Generally, the arrangement formulated produces the star topology, ring topology, bus topology, or tree topology. Dear students, today we are going to study one of the topology that is known as a star topology. The name star topology it is given because when when network is formulated, when LAN is formulated, the structure so created, so generated looks like a star. But that is the reason why it is called as a star topology, which is represented in this particular figure. Look at here, it has a one central node that is controlling computer, whereas the rest of all the nodes are connecting to that particular central computer. The structure looks like a star. Means such many nodes are connected to the central computer, which is the control computer. It is called as the gateway. It is called as the link. It is called as the controlling computer. The communication between two computers takes place via only controlling computer. No direct communication between two computers it is possible. Everyone wants to communicate with each other. That communication should perform only through the central computer. This central computer has got a special capabilities, means high version of the hard disk, higher software, higher controlling capabilities, high memory capacities, so that it is going to control all rest of the nodes or rest of the computers. The structure so formulated looks like a star, hence the network is called as star network. Each and every computer is connected to a central computer. This is the link which is established. At the output of controlling PC, there is a modem. At the input of client PC, that is node, there is a modem. This is true for every communicating computer as far as star network is being there. Entire data is available at the center computer. It is transferred to modem, converted into digital. It is provided to the network, given to the modem. Modem again converted into the digital. It is given to the node. Because of looking arrangement, because of looking configuration, as it looks like a star, hence this topology forming the local area network, it is called as a star topology. Star topology, it consists of controlling node at the center and individual nodes as a peripheral. Here node will be treated as the computers, client computers. The communication of one node with the other takes place through the central node only. No direct communication it is possible. Suppose this node want to communicate with this node, that has to takes place through the controlling computer, through this computer. No direct link is going to be established. Central controller allows any one user to link with each other. An example of star network is a mainframe that serves as a central controller for multiple video terminals with keyboard and display or PCs. So this is an example of star network. Which is the example? Mainframe computer to which the many computers are going to be connected. through its video terminal, each having its own keyboard and own displays. So this is the main computer, rest of them are the client computers which are going to be connected with each other. So that is a star network. This is the server to which rest of the computers are going to be gets connected. Each computer will communicate with other through central computer. Central computer has all controlling hardware, software, hardware disk, and it will act as gateway to all the computers. Dear student, another example of star network is EPBX system. Students, in last semester in telephone communication, we have studied the EPBX system. EPBX system is Electronic Private Automatic Branch Exchange. It is a mini telephone exchange which is established to communicate in private campus, to which main link is provided from the telephone exchange. All the calls are coming from the telephone line only, but through EPBX, those calls are distributed to the required connected nodes. For example, if you treat our college as a campus and EPBX system is established in the office, each and every department is going to act as a node, and the telephones which are present in every department are connected to the office through the EPBX system. Then whatever the call it is coming, say for the electronics department, it comes to the office at the EPBX system. Then by switching action, it is given to the electronics department. And then the link is established between the caller and that of the respective department, and communication that takes place. Here that EPBX system is known as the star network. It is a master switching system. We are speaking about EPBX system. Automatically connects one station with the other when correct number is dialed. Maybe human being is going to operate that EPBX system, or it is going to be automatically operated. So by this, if the local area network is going to get formulated, then that network one can call it as it is the star network. Dear students, this is one of the topology known as star topology. Tomorrow we are going to study the remaining two topology. One is ring topology and second one is the bus topology.